How's it guys, Peter over here. Today I want to share with you guys what I call my little attack pack. So this is my attack pack over here. What it is a bunch of nuts and seeds that I carry along with me once I get a little hunger attack. All I do is I grab the little pack, throw a couple of nuts and seed in my mouth, and it settles that little attack, so I don't need to stop at a drive-through or somewhere just to fill up my stomach so I can get rid of this nasty little attack that I have. So I spend a hell of a lot of research into what I can utilize to pack into little packets like this, prep it in advance, and have it as convenient food, but still very, very healthy. So what I'll do is I will share the nutritional value of my little attack pack with you guys. I've got a greater, bigger goal, and this is the actual reason why I'm doing this. It goes around my lifestyle, my health, my fitness, and all of that, brain health, circulation. But I'll go into detail all about that on a different video. So let me quickly explain to you guys what I've got in this little attack pack. So inside this little attack pack, what I've got is I've got chai, dried cranberries, flaxseed, sunflower seed, pecan nut, goji berries, and almonds. So if we don't want to use pecan nuts, walnuts is an absolute great nut. That fatty nut is excellent for brain health. And yes, there we go. Remember guys, always do your own research as well. Make sure that you utilize the type of food that suits your lifestyle, that suits you, and that ultimately align with your main life goal, your noble goal in life. So stay strong, stay awesome, be great. Boom. Enjoy.